morning, vloggers! Today is Game of Thrones Day. It is being broadcast today, Season 7, Episode 1 at 11 AM. So, I'm up enough time to watch Episode 10 of Season 6 so that I can be all up to date when it starts broadcasting. I'm going to probably play up in here the starting of Season 7, Episode 1. Where all you see all the inverted world and all the castles and stuff come up, so that you guys get to see it as well. I'm going to have some fruit for breakfast. I've got a peppermint green tea this morning for my cup of tea. I thought I'd do something a little bit different and have different green tea. So, yummy. And yeah, stick around. And give you my maybe give you my thoughts on the episode 1 of Season 7. Stick around. There's more to do today than just Game of Thrones too. Well, off to the shops. Got to pick some stuff up for Dad. So let's go for a drive. So, being out, got Dad's groceries he needed. Now, let's gonna go and take Paddy for walkies. Yeah. Finished taking Patrick for a walk. Decided to cut it a little short because there's a hell of a lot of rain clouds heading my way. So we're back at the car now. Yeah, let's head on. Back from taking Patrick for walkies and doing the runarounds that Dad asked me to do today. Afternoon cup of tea and maybe a biscuit.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yeah, biscuit. Alright, well I'm going to go and rewatch the Game of Thrones again because it's been re-aired in a couple of hours. Today's episode was really good. If you guys haven't watched any of the Game of Thrones seasons, go back and watch them from the beginning because if you don't, you won't really understand the full extent of where the characters are and what they're doing. But I really enjoyed today's episode of Game of Thrones. Good job, HBO and GOT. Well, I'm don't know what I'm going to cook for dinner tonight. Might be just sausages and vegetables. Make it easy. So, if you see anything you like in these videos, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget, if you've got any comments, questions, or things I can be doing better in these videos, leave it in the comments field below on YouTube. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button and get notified when I do these. My daily vlogs, cooking with Craig, urban explorer, car maintenance, what's in the box, you name it, I film it, it ends up on YouTube. So, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, see you in the next video.